We are going with one of my go-to recipes today. This is a roasted shrimp and Caesar salad. This is a perfect weekday evening meal because there are very few ingredients. It's very easy to prepare, almost impossible to screw up, and easy to get out on your table in under 30 minutes. What makes the salad, of course, is the dressing. You can see the ingredients listed here. The exact measurements are on the description to this video. First thing we're gonna do is get our shrimp roasting. I'm gonna season the shrimp with some salt and pepper. Okay, we'll drop in our shallot, which is very thinly sliced into these half rings. Hit it with a little olive oil. And just give it a stir. Okay, and so on a cookie sheet lined with, this is parchment paper, you can use tin foil, if that's what you have. Lay out your shrimp, arrange them so they are not touching. Get all your shallot. Okay, we're gonna take this to the 400-degree oven for 8 minutes. That's all there is to it. Okay, now that we've got our shrimp roasting, we'll pull together the dressing. So you're gonna wanna use a high-walled cylindrical thing like this if you're using an immersion blender, as what I'm doing. Okay, so we've dropped in our lemon juice, 1 egg, garlic, Parmesan, anchovy, a little bit of water to loosen it up. Basically, we put in everything except for the canola oil. We're gonna blend that together with the immersion blender. It's important you do this before adding the canola oil. Okay, once you've done everything but the canola oil, you can slowly introduce the canola oil. That's good. Okay. And that is it for your dressing. You want it to have about a consistency like this. Somewhat loose, and that's how you'll know when you can stop adding the canola oil. Okay, time for the shrimp to come out. You can see they look nice and plump after 8 minutes. So we're doing about 200 grams of a mixed greens. You could also use romaine lettuce, which is sort of the classic Caesar. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add all of our shrimp directly from the sheet. So all those juices go into your salad, along with the shallot, all the shallot. We add our dressing liberally. Give it a good toss so you lightly coat all the lettuce, and then you can allow your guests to add more dressing should they desire. Okay, and nothing could be easier than plating this. Make sure you get about 4 or 5 shrimp into each serving. Roasted shrimp and Caesar salad. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Help yourself. So let's